Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off the ability for the Microsoft Edge background extensions and apps to continue running even if the Edge browser is closed, and obviously use resources in the background of your computer even if Edge is not open. However, in theory, it should be able to load quicker once you open up the Microsoft Edge. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang yung 3 dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa setting, scroll down at select mo lang dito yung system and performance. So i-click mo lang dito. And then dito sa system and performance, makikita mo dito yung system. Yung una, ito yung startup BOSS, and then yung pangalawa, ito yung continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Kung paano ba ito i-turn on or turn off. So, i-click mo lang itong button ito, ganito siya. So, naka-turn off na siya. And then dito naman sa startup BOSS, pwede mo naman itong i-turn on or turn off. So, click mo lang itong button niya. Ayan. And other settings options, meron naman ditong use hardware accelerations when available. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-stop ang Microsoft Edge browser from running in the background. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.